Hey guys, it's Janelle from Steamy Vegan Kitchen and welcome to my channel. I'm going to be showing y'all how to make one of my all-time favorite meals today. It is fajita pasta. What? Fajitas and pasta? Italian and Mexican food in one? Ah! Yeah, it's a thing, I guess. It takes 20 minutes to make, start to finish. That includes prep. So all the chopping and cooking. It uses like 11 or 12 ingredients, so not very many. I think this is a great recipe for people who maybe are just kind of getting into experimenting with vegan food because it uses really accessible, available ingredients for the vegan pantry, such as nutritional yeast, coconut milk, beans. Most people who are trying out a vegan diet would have those in their pantry, so I think you guys are really gonna like this. It's so cheesy tasting because of the nutritional yeast and the coconut milk together. It's a creamy, warming, spicy pasta. It's got some corn, some beans. This meal is literally so easy to make. It's veggies in a pan, coconut milk, spices, noodles, meal. Done. I recommend using a chickpea or a lentil pasta because they're very high in protein and high in fiber. Both of those are good. It's also a great recovery meal after a workout because it's so high in protein. Yeah, it's a powerhouse, so highly recommend. Well, I hope you guys like it. For this recipe, you will need 1 package of chickpea or lentil pasta, fusilli or rotini are both awesome, 1 can of black beans and 1 can of whole kernel corn, drained and rinsed, 1 can of full-fat coconut milk, 1½ tablespoons of coconut oil, 4 cloves of garlic, about 3 tablespoons of spices. The ones to use in the spice blend will be in the video description below. 1/3 cup of nutritional yeast, 1 medium yellow onion, and 2 bell peppers. I used red and orange. Start by getting a pot of water boiling for your pasta and cook according to package directions. Chop your peppers, finely dice the garlic, and cut the onion lengthwise in long strips. Add the coconut oil to a large saucepan on medium-high heat, add the garlic and onion, and saute until softened and slightly translucent, about 4 minutes. Once the onions and garlic have softened, add in the peppers, turn temperature to high heat, and cook for 3 minutes, stirring often to prevent burning but allowing a little bit of browning. Add in your spice blend, stir well, and let that toast for about 1 minute. Add the corn and black beans, stir well, and then the can of coconut milk and nutritional yeast. Turn the temperature back down to medium heat. Stir until the coconut milk and nutritional yeast are well incorporated into the mixture. This next step is optional, but I like to mix a 1/4 cup of cold water with tapioca starch or cornstarch to help thicken the sauce. At this point, add that in, stir well and frequently to help the mixture thicken. Once the mixture has thickened and starts to bubble, approximately 5 minutes, add the cooked pasta to the mixture and stir until it's thoroughly coated in that deliciously cheesy looking sauce. And there you have it, folks. You have yourself a yummy, warm, spicy, cheesy, comforting bowl of deliciousness. Serve and garnish with your choice of toppings. Cilantro, red chili flakes, and fresh squeezed lime juice are my favorites. Does that not look like something you want to eat right now? Let me know if you've tried out this recipe and let me know what you think. I'd love your feedback. Did you add any different veggies or spices? There's so many substitutions you can make. You could choose a different kind of beans. You could add some jalapenos. There's a lot you could do. You could throw some tortilla chips on top. Ooh, you could top it with lime or avocado. Those are really good. I should try that next time. Anywho's, I hope you guys loved this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And I will see you guys in my next video. Okay, bye for now.